Hello everyone. In this video, we will be seeing about how to do the step turning operation. So before going to that experiment, we should know what is step turning. So step turning, it is also one of the operation that is done in the lathe machine. This is also a very basic operation that is usually done in the lathe machine. So this operation is one of the most basic machining process. That is, the part is rotated while single point cutting tool is moved parallel to the axis of rotation. Turning can be done on the external surface of the part as well as internally. Step turning is an operation which is performed on the lathe machine where excess of material is removed from the workpiece to obtain various steps of different diameters. So this is about the definition of step turning. Then this is a pictorial representation of a step turning process where in the workpiece there are steps made with the help of the tool. So next is about how to do the experiment. So first the aim is to prepare the workpiece as per the given dimensions, and the tools required are single point cutting tool, chuck key, tool post key, outside caliper, steel scale, vernier caliper and micrometer. So the operation that we are going to do is step turning. So this is a plain workpiece with a 25 diameter and 150 length. So this is the final product that we are going to get by doing the step turning. So there are different steps of different diameters. So the minimum diameter will be 10, and the next is 20, and the last one is 25 with the length of varying 20 mm, 15 mm and 10 mm. So this is the final thing we are going to get. So if we look into the procedure, means initially the workpiece, after the plane turning and facing, it has to be placed in the chuck. So with the help of the chuck key, we are opening the jaws, placing the workpiece and again closing it, taking out the chuck key back. So once after all this process is completed, the to a single point cutting tool, it is placed in the tool post, it is brought near the workpiece, and the workpiece when the machine started, the workpiece starts rotating. So, and initially we need to do a plane turning, and after that the diameter has to be reduced, the material has to be removed according to the diameter, and it finally, after completing the step turning process, it has to be verified with the help of the vernier caliper whether the exact diameter is achieved for the given length. So the markings has to be made on the surface, and so that we can do the machining till that. So if you look into the procedure, the workpiece is fixed in a 3-jar chuck with sufficient overhang. Adjust the machine to run the job to a required cutting speed. Fix the cutting tool in the tool post and centering operation is performed so that axis of the job coincides with the lathe axis. Give the feed and depth according to the cutting tool. Facing operation is performed, then plane turning. After that, by checking the dimensions using vernier caliper, the step turning is done. So this is how a step turning operation is done. Now I'll show you, this is the finished product. So once the step turning is done, we'll get a finished product like this, and this videos show you how to do the step turning operation. So initially the tool is brought near the workpiece, the workpiece is placed in the 3-jar chuck, and the tool is brought near the workpiece. The machine starts rotating. So once when the tool moves near the workpiece, we start giving the feed. So with the help of this handle, we are giving the feed. The feed has to be given so that it creates a step, and after each and every step is created, we need to check the length and the diameter whether the expected length and diameter is achieved or not. So the excess material that comes out in the form of the chips, usually we'll be getting helical shaped continuous chips. The feed has to be given very slow, or else it may lead to breakage of the tool. So the steps are done. So likewise the procedure has to be repeated and the step turning process is completed. So once after completing, we will get a step like this. So this is how a step turning operation is done. Thank you.